Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to add panels on Twitch. First, go to your profile picture and click on that. This menu will expand and you will have to click on channel. Go to the About section down here, scroll down and enable Edit Panels toggle. Scroll down once more and click on this big plus icon. Now you can either add a text or image panel or an Chrome extension panel. Choose whichever you want. I want to add a text panel. So here you will add a panel title. So let's say about me. Here you can add an image from your computer. Just make sure that it is 320 pixels wide. You can also link an image to something. So when the viewer clicks, it will redirect them and then click on submit. It is really simple. If you want to remove it, click on remove and then remove again. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.